got all kinds of stuff going on. Shop tour day, update. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. First and foremost, I apologize. We missed a vlog last week. We had a ton of stuff going on, lots of excuses, had a lot of phone calls from customers calling in saying, hey, where's the vlog? What's going on? And we just got tied up. We had Memorial Day last week and we're busy with doing some posts with that stuff. We implemented some new software stuff in the office that Jason was helping out with. But the biggest thing was we launched a whole new vlog. It's a family style vlog where we take my boat and we're literally traveling around the world in it. Check that out. Here's a link in the description. I think we're up to like 20 subscribers and 155 views. Yes, super excited about that. It's funny because I'm more excited about that than like a vlog getting 1 million views. That's why we weren't posting anything the last week and a half or so. Definitely appreciate all the love from you guys. Thank you so much. We're back to our regularly scheduled program as well as a new vlog, so check that out. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. Oh my God. It's the first time I ever remembered that one, huh? It's funny. We got all kinds of stuff going on. Shop tour day, update on what's been happening here at the shop. This truck behind me just came in. Came back.
They've seen a teaser of it.
That's right. So you got a teaser out there on it. We didn't drop all the details on it because we're doing a big vlog on the build. What we've done to it, where it's gone, where it's going. The owner of it is a good, close personal friend of mine and has been in the Hummer community for many, many years. That's coming up. Remember this truck? This truck is up for sale. Kind of funny. So we built up the truck, got it all done. Not much action on it. We're listing it for like $90,000. Very reasonable price for such a nice truck. A couple phone calls here and there, a couple lowball offers. I'm like, you know what? The only thing that's really missing is a lift kit and the airlift hooks and the gaskets. We just knocked out the lift kit on it. And as we're knocking it out, I've had like 5 or 6 phone calls on it and offers coming in at a reasonable price. We still got to put the gaskets on, but we couldn't get those done because there are customers showing up to see it and test drive it today. So we'll throw a link in the description there too. But the real link in the description is the new vlog. Check that out. 20 subscribers, speed number 21. So come on inside. We're gonna order a 500-gallon fish tank for the office. And all of a sudden, Ireland finds one local where the guy set it up and he's like, it's too big for me. It is going to become kind of a wall separator in our office. So instead of having a traditional wall, we will have this 500-gallon fish tank in here and a couple of sharks. So a couple of smoothhound sharks in here. 500 gallons is a perfect size for those type of sharks. They're somewhat active. They'll swim around in circles, but that's about it. And then we'll also have some other tangs in there and some damselfish and all kinds of different like fish swim around.
Who's that?
Excuse me, sir. Can I help you? Got Jared over here. Jared is now taking over Paul's position. So Paul has been trying to leave the state of California for quite a few years and ended up moving out of state. Talked to Jared for some time. Jared's been with us for 10 years now? Yeah, about that. Offered Jared the position here, the most qualified person that we could possibly ask for, because he literally started here shipping out parts. So he learned and worked his way up from the ground floor up to this position. Became the shipping manager, ran the whole shipping department. Then he's like, you know what, Ryan, after like 2 or 3 years or so, he's like, I want to get into the tech stuff and I want to learn how to become a technician. We're like, cool, we'll train you on everything. So got him up to speed. The only downside is we're losing Jared as a tech because he's an amazing tech out there, but we still have him here and he'll be able to oversee a lot of the builds too from that tech experience, which is huge. So check this out. Building up this truck for a customer.
Let me put some muscle into this for you, Wilson. I think the brakes are on. The tire's flat in the back.
Oh, crap.
Whoa!
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 Slow.
We need muscle.
And an air chuck. Oh, see, look at that. Must have just like went over a rock or something. Oh, there's flow. Check this out. This is kind of cool because most of the time we're operating so quickly that you don't really get to see and admire like the drivetrain like this. We don't have the fuel tank in here, but we've got the engine, transfer case, all rebuilt, dialed, installed. Look over there. That's where it's at.
That's it.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Go back and look at it again.
You know, they've seen this a lot when you do the marathon runs.
I know, but it's just beautiful. I just like looking at it. But yeah, dial, rebuilt all the geared hubs, new ball joints, new steering components, new cooling stack. Really the only thing it's missing is like a powder coated frame, but I wouldn't do it because it's kind of not necessary. It looked pretty for a little while, but as an everyday driver, I wouldn't want to invest a powder coated frame that I'm just going to trash off road. This is cool. Check this out, Jason. This is one of our first prototype H2 Duramax conversions that we did back in 2006, I believe.
Yeah, I only done a little bit on this thing, but...
Dude, nobody can hear you because you have pizza in your mouth. Duramax conversion on this truck. We did it in 2006 and then took it to SEMA. It's like, hey, you know what? I need to bring it in, get it kind of like cleaned up a little bit and do some service work on it. It's having some injector issues, replaced all the injectors on it, went through all the steering components, new ball joints on it, full service work. And then he's like, you know what? While it's down here, let's just redo the whole truck. So we're doing some body modifications to it. We're doing proper backup camera, navigation head unit. We're getting rid of all the chrome. So just updating it. Like chrome looked cool back in 2005. All this is going black. Rims are gonna get repowder coated, putting on new tires, fully serviced, fully dialed, and it is going back out to Utah with the owner here shortly. Another Duramax conversion on the slant back. So it was just a 6.5 turbo diesel. Customer bought it. He's like, hey, I wanna have the Duramax conversion. We knocked out the Duramax conversion on it. A couple hundred test miles on it already. Knocking out the brakes today. The upgraded half shafts. Razzle Dazzle's working on. Lifted H2, all done. Test miles on it, runs great. We are working through the process through the California referee and CARB to get this certified for on-road use and have it all street legal. It'll have a barcode on the door panel. So when it goes to get smog, because now it's a diesel, they can smog it as far as the smog process on it. Over here we got an amazing truck. There's all kinds of cool accessories that the customer's gone through and done. I think we may have touched on it, but we didn't do a whole vlog on it. Duramax conversion, he's a machinist. He did a lot of machine work on his own, little bits and pieces inside the truck just to dial it in. Beautiful, beautiful craftsmanship inside. We'll do a whole vlog on this one coming up here. He ran it for about a year and then he just brought it back in. We did brand new turbo on it, a bearing turbo, and also a tune on it. So it is dialed, ready to go. So we'll do a vlog on that one next week. All kinds of other stuff coming up here soon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. See, I've forgotten. I can do it on the boat vlog, but not on this one. Notification bell. Like and subscribe. What am I forgetting?
They can't hear
Remember
him.
we talked about this.
They can't hear him.
That's what I'm asking you.
Huh?
What did I forget?
Him shoving a camera in my face.
Battery's about to die.
He's supposed to be at a distance.
What's it, 6 feet? I don't know. What's the distance? Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.
I tried to film with Flo. That was just another disaster. Except he was doing ballet moves for me.
No way.
He
He's a
can
little
spin.
ballerina.
He could spin so elegantly and gracefully.
Are you serious?
I swear.
I gotta
Yes.
see this. I want to see if he does it for me. Hey, you gonna show me?
Show me what?
Your moves.
Oh, you seen my moves.
I have nothing like. I just don't remember your moves. I had a few too many beers that night.
I just did something stupid earlier. I was just twirling around.
Hey, do you want to show them the video of you doing your moves
Yeah, you can show him.
with the purple hair?
Yeah. That was a
Oh,
great.
you have video of that?
I have
from
the video.
He has
Oh,
a beer.
you've never seen it?
Jason,
to me?
post this video of Flo doing his little moves.
I was a couple beers in, tequila shots maybe. I don't know what I was doing.
I think they were margaritas that night. That was a good night.
Yeah.
A lot I don't remember about that night though.
Yeah. Well, don't you have it in slow mo?
Yeah.
You hear that?
So much room for activities.
So much room for activities. You can just. Yowzers.